Types of cuts. Here are just some examples of how to create many different veggie noodle patterns using your Spiralizer. Use the 2mm blade to make thin angel hair carrot noodles. Use the 3mm blade to make thicker spaghetti-like cucumber potato noodles. Use the 5mm blade to make fettuccine-like zucchini noodles. Use the 12mm blade to make pappardelle-like noodles from sweet potatoes. Beets. Use the flat slicer blade to make onion strings, bell pepper strings, cabbage coleslaw, lettuce shreds, potato chips, etc. To make circular and curvy potato shreds, cut 1 or 2 V-shaped tracks along the side of the potato first before spiralizing it. Use the wavy slicer blade to make wavy crinkle chips. Use the curly fry blade to make thick, true-sized curly fries from potatoes, sweet potatoes, etc.